Alright guys, here comes Norfolk Southern 218. No! White card, that was stupid. You don't ever try to beat the train. You busted. Baby hot! Oh, get the Amazon! Please! Amazon Prime! Get back on the EMP! That's what Joshua like! ABS trail cars are coming! Get up with these cars! ABS! Mom, get into the EMP! Get into the, the EMP! Joshua Lightspeed! Blue one! Get that one because that's Joshua's favorite type of intermodal cars. What? Yeah, Joshua likes some. Yeah, so if you were wondering who Joshua is, that's my friend in Duluth, that's my friend in Duluth, Georgia. His YouTube channel is called Rail Fan Team Joshua, and he likes intermodal cars like EMP, CMA, and stuff like that. Okay? And if you know, oh yeah. Alright guys, anyway, that was Norfolk Southern 218. It came from Chicago, Illinois, and it's going to, hold on, let me get this straight. That was Norfolk Southern 218. It came from Chicago, Illinois, and it's going to Charlotte, North Carolina. Okay, bye, and that's all for now.